Let's go.
Okay. Miss Clean is a professional cleaning company that specializes in both domestic and commercial cleaning services. We have been in business for the last 12 years. Our services are divided into two, domestic and commercial. Under domestic, we normally have one-off cleaning, sofa sets cleaning, carpets cleaning, mattress cleaning, spring cleaning, washroom destaining, fumigation, and pest control. Under commercial, we have office cleaning, provision of contractual cleaners, pest control, contractual cleaning, tea services, post-construction cleaning, sanitary bin supply, and supply of detergents. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, Miss Clean.
My name is Caroline Gina from Miss Clean. I had spoken to Mr. Ken and he wanted us to come and do a site visit for cleaning his home.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Sana.
Okay, asante sana. So you can take me around to see the house?
Yes, please.
Oh, okay, thank you. Let me remove my mask. Today we came to see Mr. Ken's house where we are doing a site visit before he moves in. Right now we've just seen the compound and there are a few things that we do for compound. You know, we spray and make sure that we tidy up the garden, like slashing the grass and making sure that the flower garden is well maintained before he moves in. The other thing I'm going to do is to do a site visit for the house. And sometimes clients keep asking me, why do we have to do a site visit? And they're asking for estimates. The reason why we do site visits for houses before we come to clean is because first we need to understand how many people will need to do the cleaning with. We also need to understand the kind of detergents we need to use because different homes do have different surfaces and actually floors. For example, a wooden floor would be old enough not to be polished, or a newer one that does not need the polish. Sometimes you come and find washrooms actually are very stained and will need extra detergents for cleaning the washrooms and restoring them to, you know, the original state that they were before, of course, when the construction was happening. So yes, I'm here to do that site visit and I'll be doing a quotation after that, and then we can agree with the client when to do the work. So I have just finished doing my site visit and I'm very satisfied. I've been able now to know exactly what I need, especially in delivering the service. There are 3 services that I'll need to offer to this client: pest control, both the compound and the house. We'll also need to clean the house thoroughly, scrubbing all the floors inside and outside, and we'll finish with COVID-19 disinfection immediately after doing the cleaning before handing over the site to the client. Today is day 2 and it is the day of service delivery because the client approved the service. As earlier said, we normally follow this process in service delivery, especially in this kind of work. We start with fumigation, which has already been done, and right now my staff actually arrived early in the morning to do the cleaning of the house. Later, when they're done doing the cleaning, we'll do disinfection against COVID-19 before handing over the site to the client. Cleaning has been done and it is time to do supervision to make sure that the service has been done to client standards. Come with me and see what has been done. Wow, it's been a long day. Cleaning, fumigation, disinfection. We've come to the end of the day and we are so happy that the house is clean, the house is fumigated and ready to be handed over to the client, and we hope that the client will be satisfied. At Miss Clean, we specialize in professional cleaning services, both domestic and commercial. And today we were on the domestic side of cleaning for a client who is just about to move into a new house. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Caroline Gira. At Miss Clean, we clean, you shine.